Hey, so found this pretty weird. Wait, sorry, might be pretty weird method, but this is what we use for rendering out 360 videos. We actually use like a HUD compositing thing. So I've got this HUD folder here, and what it's just got a material that is just taking on this render target, and this render target is just my only output from my Composure. So instead of player viewport compositing output, I've got that turned off at the moment, and I've just got a render target compositing output instead. And this goes out to this output preview render target with, whatever resolution you set. That's just, what Composure's seeing. So then I go to this you can just go, create material from that, or, you can create it somewhere else. And this material is just, you can just drag the render target into the material if you want, and just hook that up. That's just what I've done here. And this domain here for this HUD is user interface. So this material is of type user interface. So all you need to do is just make sure that's set, and just make sure that's hooked up there. Just apply and save that. So you've got this like HUD material now. And then you can go in wherever you're doing your HUD stuff, you can go create a blueprint class and go utility widget, editor utility widget. I'll just do it again quickly. You can create this, you can put an image in it, just drag that in here, and as this brush here, you can get your HUD material, pretty sure. HUD material there. So now this is a image that's taking your Composure render target and putting it over the whole screen as a HUD. So then you go into level blueprint, and on begin play, this is just off begin play, you can do this create HUD. So create UI, is it? Create widget, is that right? Create widget of class, the class of the HUD widget that you just made. So HUD UI HUD export is what I've called mine, and then you just drag off of that and go add to viewport. Add to viewport. Just make sure all those pins are hooked up. So you should look a bit like this, your HUD widget thing that you've made. You can go find that. That's just that, and it's just adding that to the viewport on begin play. So then in like your sequence, like here for example, you got your sequence and everything. You might not even need this now. You should be able to go movie render queue. If you go in here, I've got a config for it already, HUD render config. You just need to add this UI. Maybe it won't let me add it again, but you just need to add this UI renderer and go composite onto final image. And then when you output this, when you render this, that will be exactly what Composure sees. And also, I'm guessing you might be able to do more of your movie render queue additional render passes that you want to do. Hopefully that might be a route to doing it through movie render queue. Let me know how you get on with that. If you want to try that method out to get your, you should be able to get anti-aliasing settings and things like that. I'm going to have a play with it as well. But that should be, it looks like it's not rendering right for me right now, but I think you might just have to like delete this. What else have I got? Do I need this on? Don't think I need that on. And then I think if you do EXRs out, you might be able to get full dynamic range EXRs out using this as well. But with more control, more rendering passes, more anti-aliasing and stuff like that. So hopefully, I would love to see how you get on with this, see if there's any like insights you have from playing around with this as well. Also, another thing, I don't know if you've noticed this, but mad performance drop after hitting render. I was talking to someone else about this, and it's still basically rendering behind the scene even if you stop it early. So that's just something else to bear in mind. I've been having to restart Unreal and open it back up again every time. But I think that's now saved these to the output, right? Yeah, so I've got these in the output. Fairly, I think that's the right quality. That's the resolution of my render target. So yeah, it'd be awesome to see how you get on with this. Let me know if that adds any additional render passes and stuff for you. Cheers.